Should we skip mushrooms if we have an autoimmune disease?
Oh, um, oh, this is probably because of beta glucans in mushrooms having some immune modulating effects. That's probably where this, do you know where this myth comes from, Producer Potts?
It's a question we've gotten on social media a couple of times whenever you talk about the mushroom powders in your coffee.
Oh, so are we specifically talking about medicinal mushrooms, maybe? So, mushrooms in general are very nutrient dense. They have nutrients that are really important for our overall health that we can't get easily from other foods. So they have some cool fiber types like beta glucans. We can get those from oats and barley, but also chitin and chitosan fiber. The only other food sources of that are exoskeletons. So we can get it from insects if you like crickets, or shellfish if you're eating the shell. So like soft shell crab, for example. There's some cool preparations where you can deep fry shrimp and the shell becomes very edible in that case. So dishes like that is your other source of those fiber types. Mushrooms have lots of polyphenols and triterpenes, which are generally associated with improved health outcomes. And they're the number one by a landslide, basically our own reliable food source of a non-proteinogenic amino acid called ergothioneine, which is strongly antioxidant and reduces risk of all of the health conditions associated with aging. So it's actually been nicknamed by scientists the longevity vitamin. All of those things are also really beneficial for immune function, right? We're talking about things that help improve the composition of the gut microbiome with your cool, unique fiber types, um, polyphenols, which also improve the composition of the gut microbiome, right? Antioxidants. Generally, antioxidants reduce inflammation, right? That is a thing that antioxidants tend to do. Yes, some of the beta glucans have been shown to bind with receptors in the immune system and potentially modulate immune activity. There's not a lot of research done in autoimmune disease. There's a lot more done in cancer. But just because something is modulating the immune system, it doesn't mean that it's doing so in a way that's problematic. And for example, reishi has been studied in autoimmune disease, rheumatoid arthritis, I think. I can't remember now if there's a study on multiple sclerosis or not. I have to go back and look at my notes, but generally showed that the immune modulation was also beneficial in the context of autoimmune disease. So there's lots of, you know, like this hasn't been studied in every possible combination of mushroom or mushroom extract and different autoimmune conditions. So like there's not enough science to say for sure won't be a problem for you, but based on the science that's there, I don't see any reason to avoid mushrooms.